Welcome back to West 11 Lane. My name is Leann and I'm an interior designer here in Carlsbad, California, also known as North County, San Diego. Today is video number 3 out of my holiday series, and so if you haven't already seen parts 1 and 2, definitely head on over. I'm going to leave the links below for you. Those are from last year, and this year I am excited to share with you our new home here in Carlsbad that we moved into at the end of February. And if you've been following me for a while, you may remember that I did promise a full home tour when we first moved in, but then we quickly moved into quarantine and things got a little bit hectic with a lot of virtual projects that I've been so busy and happy to be working with my clients on. So in the meantime, today I at least wanted to share with you our primary bedroom and bathroom and how I styled it for the holiday season, with the hopes that I'll provide you with some inspiration and maybe some ideas for you to use in your own home. So now that we're in the season of giving, I wanted to extend an opportunity to you to enter to win a free virtual design where you and I will partner up. We'll select a room in your home that you feel like needs a little extra love, and then within weeks we'll be able to transform it. So stay tuned for the end of the video. We'll provide all of the details on how you can enter, and I hope the winner is you.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing, yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling,
entrance of our bedroom, and then here I have my dresser and our television. Normally I would suggest a larger dresser for this size TV, but right now this is what we have temporarily, so we're working with it. And this dresser is from IKEA, and I had this tree on hand already from I think 2 years ago from Target, and it used to have lights built in. They died after the first season, but I think it's still really cute, so I wanted to incorporate that. I love the wood base as well. And over here next to the tree I have Trisha Guild in my view. I love this book. I actually got it online from TJ Maxx. And then on top of it I have the Paulownia wood bowl and marble chain links, both from my shop. This tree I am absolutely obsessed with. It is 3.5 feet tall, and as soon as I got it, I wanted another one, and unfortunately they are out of stock, but I'm hoping that they will continue to restock because I know they already have at least once this year, and I have to have more. I want to put one in my son's room and then also in my office. Over here, this mirror is from IKEA. It was a great find for $50. I had it at our last place inside of our closet. I love the simple white border. And over here I have a stool that I got from Home Depot online. It was probably about $35 at the most, and I've seen it sold by other retailers since then. It is a rare find though lately, so keep an eye out there. And look at how cute these lanterns are. So I found these at Michael's, and I put a candle in there that actually you can light with a remote control, which is so fun, and it just creates such a nice ambiance at nighttime. And this is a small size, and also comes in the large size, and I don't know if you can tell. So it actually has a sparkle snow detail, which I think is so nice. So to finish off the vignette, I've added bottle brush trees here, and I found both of these at Michael's. The green come in various sizes. The small white ones were a set of 3. But normally I really haven't been into these, you guys, but I absolutely loved this color green, and then also the little white detail on the edges just to give it a little bit of a wintry feel. I just think it's so pretty all together. Our lamps actually came in a set of 2. They are sold by Target and also Wayfair. I believe we got them at Wayfair. I can't remember. I've had them for about 3 years and they've been fantastic. And then our nightstands are from Target. I'm pretty sure they're not selling these pieces anymore, but I loved this set. I actually got the dresser for my son's room, and I just think they're just So pretty with this edge detail on the top and just really simple. These are from TJ Maxx, and this little throw here is the Bali beach towel from my shop, and I can link my quilt. So this pillow I found at HomeGoods specifically for my client. I bought her about 3 of them, and then of course I had to buy one for myself because it's so soft and I love the style. And these pillow covers are from Etsy. I will link her shop below. It's a 24-inch cover, and I've added IKEA 26-inch inserts at only $10 a piece. It's such a steal, and I love how they karate chop. So this pillow sham is part of my quilt set, which is from Overstock. I will definitely try to find that for you. I've had it for about 3 years now, and I actually love the white because bleach is definitely your friend, and it's a lot easier to keep clean than you would probably think. These shams are from Amazon. I think they're absolutely adorable with this little palm detail. It definitely makes me feel like it's Christmas time, even though it's not deliberate Christmas, which that's what I love about it. And then these can be used year round. The inserts are also from Amazon, and I will link both below. So our bed is from Wayfair. Honestly, I'm so obsessed. I look at this linen detail. I've gotten so many compliments. It's from Wayfair. Honestly, for me, it was a bit of a splurge considering I had to buy all of our furniture again when we moved back out here to San Diego. So at $650 to $700, you can imagine that was kind of a lot, but I am so glad that we got this, and I've gotten so many compliments. I've had a lot of people ask me, where did I get it? And I know they've purchased it through my links. So I definitely recommend it, and I will link that below as well. And then on this side, I added just another simple tree from 2 years ago. And again, you already know about the nightstand and the lamp. And oh, I didn't talk to you guys about the wallpaper. So this wallpaper is original to the home. This home was built 7 years ago, and there was a young family who lived here first. And I know for a fact by looking at the realtor photos that this actually used to be a nursery. So how cute is this wallpaper? It's just little trees, but it's just the right color of blue. And I think it's so beautiful. And then of course I finished it off with this DIY wreath. Okay guys, so this is our bathroom right off of the primary bedroom, and we have a shower on the left, rolls right into this tub, which I love. Honestly, I spend a ton of time in here. Well, a ton for being a mom and also a business owner. I'll take what I can get. But over here, I added a couple of candles for ambiance, and they're actually remote control, which is so fun. I added some branches here from Target, and the vase is also from Target from years ago. I do wish that I purchased more, but I at least have the one. And then of course, bath salts, just to make it functional. I added another DIY wreath here, which again, I spent an afternoon making 3 wreaths for our home, and I think it was definitely well worth it. It's just a simple metal wreath form, and then you just add the garlands to it with floral wire. It was super simple, and then you can add whatever extra things you'd like. So here, again, I added the mistletoe and the white berries. Here on the other side, this is the water closet to the right, and then this is the Bali beach towel from my shop. I think it's so cute. Love the detail on the end. It's definitely a thinner type throw, so you can either use it as a blanket or a towel. Honestly, perfect for the summertime or here in Southern California, where it's definitely a little warmer. And then I love this little vignette here. Obviously, I use all of these things pretty much every day, so it's nice to have them out, but I had to add more bottle brush trees because they're so cute, and I wanted to tie both rooms together. And you guys take a look at this house. This is from Target, you guys, and I love the faux wood on the front, and then just this little shiny white enamel. It just makes it a little bit more elegant, which I think is so beautiful. And then our little soap dispenser with mistletoe and white berries. Thank you so much for joining me on the tour of our bedroom and bathroom. This is a really simple way to add some festivity to our space, and I hope that you are now finding yourself inspired. And now for the details on the contest. So as a company, we have recently donated to our local food bank, as well as this month we will also be donating to Toys for Tots. We feel very grateful for all of the continued design business that we've had as a company. And so, of course, we want to go ahead and give back. And as an extension of that, all you have to do in order to win is donate any amount of money to either Toys for Tots or your local food bank. Provide me with a proof via email. So the email is leann@west11lane.com. That's written below for your records. And that's it, you'll be entered to win. So we want to make sure that you're also part of our community, so subscribe to our channel as well, and then also go ahead and follow us on Instagram at West11Lane, because on December 31st, New Year's Eve, I'm going to be announcing the winner live. So I couldn't be more excited, and like I said, so grateful for all of you for supporting my small business and giving me a platform to be able to go ahead and share that love with others. So thank you so much for making it to the end. Thank you so much for your support for us and your local community, and I'll see you in the next video.